Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool Seat, showing you around the Seat Leon estate that we have in stock. This is the FR model. It's finished off in a brilliant white colour. Paintwork's fantastic on this car. Got Seat lighting, daytime running lights. Got some lovely silver alloys. Each one of them in brilliant condition. This car's a 1.4 petrol, 6-speed manual. So this car is a 19 plate, it's sat on around 18,000 miles. I'll confirm that when we sit inside the car. I have to apologise for the weather. It is a bit rainier down in Blackpool. So before I show you the car and what's inside it, I'll tell you a bit about where this car's advertised at. So it's advertised here at Blackpool Seat, part of Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family run dealerships. So at the Blackpool site, you have us of course, Blackpool Seat. Next door to us, you have a Blackpool Auto Mart, the UK's only superbike store at Honda. Across the road, you've got Blackpool Honda, it's our flagship dealership. And over in the distance, you've got the paint and body clinic and our in-house workshop. So all used cars that we sell are Seat approved, so they go through a 142 point check in the workshop to ensure that they're good for sale. Also in the body shop, in the body shop, they go through the body shop to make sure they're good for sale. So at Cox Motor Group, we have 14 dealerships spread across the northwest. You'll find sites in Kendal, Southport, Blackpool of course, and Lancaster, where we sell brands such as VW, Honda, Seat, Cupra, Mitsubishi, and Automart of course. So onto the car. I'll show you the boot quickly, because that is probably the biggest selling point in these Leon estates. It's the sheer amount of boot space that you get. So it's a double level boot. So you can raise it a bit higher, and when you put the rear seats down it does fall completely flat. Got your parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. It's retractable as well. And then you do have these handy levers either side to fold the seats down. Like I said, completely flat in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of room. Show you the rear seat space and the rear seats quickly before we get onto the driver's seat. So you've got the FR red stitching on the seats. You also have your Isofix mounting points for any children and baby seats. Stepping into the driver's seat, you'll find your 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got your electronic parking brake with your brake hold. Dual zone climate control in this car. Got different driving modes operated by this button, which you'll find on your infotainment screen. And on your infotainment screen, I'll quickly talk you through all the options that you have. So you've got all your radio sources, all your media sources, satellite navigation, which I'll show you quickly. Traffic updates, you've got Bluetooth hands-free audio, all your driving data on this screen. You've got full link with this car, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your mirror link. You can adjust your sound system with this button. And then you can also adjust your air conditioning from the infotainment screen. Onto the speedometer, you'll find that this car is sat on 18,628 miles, so it wasn't too far off. Got your media buttons on your left hand side of your steering wheel, and then you've got your trip computer buttons on your right hand side. I'll show you, they control the trip computer in between the speedometer. Got your FR logos in and around the car. Lifestyle just to the right of the steering wheel, and your child locks, electrically adjustable mirrors and your electric windows, all on the driver's door card. And this is the perfect time of day to show you this, but this car does come with ambient lighting on the door cards. Adds quite a nice feel to the interior. So this car has a full Seat dealership service history. When you do buy this car from us, it will come with at least 9 months MOT and at least 9 months service. So you can call us for finance options on this car on 01253 600 980. Or for more information about this car or a more personalised video, you can contact the sales team. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope to hear from you soon.